Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to apply header and footer on this worksheet. So stay tuned and watch till the end. For example, if I want to apply header and footer on this worksheet, I'll go to Insert tab. There is a header and footer option. Click on this option. It will take me to the header of this document. Now I can write anything on this header, or I can select the date, time, file path, file name, or picture, whatever I want to select. For example, I just write the document in the header space, and then I want to write the footer. I can go directly to the footer from here. There is go to footer option in navigation. If I click on this one, it will take me to the footer of this document, and then again I can select the any option, time, date, file path, file name. For example, if I want to mention the page number here, so I'll go to this footer option, then I will select this page number. I click this one. Now you can see the page number is showing at the bottom. So every time I'll go to the new page, it will show me this page number, not this page number, the next page number. So this is how you apply the header and footer on your this document. If I want to see the normal layout of this document, there is an option at the right hand side. It's a normal option, normal layout. If I click on this, now it will take me back to the original layout. If I want to see the header and footer, I'll need to select this page layout option at the right hand side. If I click on this, it will show me the header and footer as well. So this is the way you apply the header and footer. Hit the like button if you like this video, and make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more tips and tricks. So I'll see you guys in next video.